Today, we're going to talk about the different ways that a small business owner can provide health insurance for their employees. What if I told you that there are multiple ways that you can provide health insurance to your employees as a small business owner? Are you intrigued? I get it, not all businesses are the same, and so there should be different options for you. We're gonna talk about that today. I'm going to go over 4 different things to consider when it comes to this. The first way, and the most ideal for your employee, it might cost you a little bit of money, is to cover the entire amount of their monthly premium, at least the employee themselves. And that doesn't need to mean that you are covering all the extra bells and whistles, let's say dental coverage and vision coverage. You can choose to do so, or you can just cover their health plan and let them pay for the dental and vision if they want it. Number 2, you can choose to pay a percentage or give a stipend to your employees to cover their health insurance. And so an easy way to do this is if you pay their insurance premium out of the company bank account, and then whatever percentage they're responsible for contributing to, you can just do it via your payroll and just have it set it up that way. So it's very easy. A lot of employees, I'm going to tell you a little secret, and this is so silly to think of, but a lot of employees actually won't even know how much is being taken out of their check for their portion of their insurance. So if you're covering a good amount of it and they're getting the additional amount of the premium just taken out of or withheld from their payroll, a lot of them aren't even going to notice. So number 3 is, can they add their family to the health insurance plan? And so just know that even if they add their spouse and their children, the main thing you need to decide is whether or not you're going to pay a portion of their family's portion of the health insurance premium. So if you're paying for your employee, just allowing them to add their family is a big benefit to them, because they're probably going to get access to this coverage that they wouldn't have if they weren't employed with you. And so consider that a benefit whether or not you decide that you're going to cover financially a portion of that monthly premium. So number 4 is, for a lot of small business owners, they're not really sure where to start. They don't feel comfortable talking about health insurance with their employees. They're really new to this, especially for the small ones that don't have a group plan. One way that a lot of my clients utilize my services is to have me be kind of like their outsourced benefits administrator. And so I will meet virtually with their employees or potential employees before they even hire them, and determine what their needs are, what plans they have access to, and really try to find them the best health plan for their situation. And all of that information can be confidential as far as like their background and the medical history. I will just come back to you as the employer and let you know my findings as far as like what plans would be the best for them. And then you can choose whether you're going to give them a stipend to cover a portion of that or not. But if you want to let them pay for it out of pocket, you still are providing a benefit by having me assess their coverage. And the best thing is that they don't have to pay me, and neither do you, because the insurance companies pay me well to be able to do this service for people. And so if you're curious about how you can provide that health insurance support for your team and you don't know where to start, I would be happy to help you. I love working with small businesses. It's one of my favorite things to do. I used to be a business owner. I still am, but I've been an entrepreneur for many years, and so I really relate with you and the growing pains and all of that. And my entrepreneur clients really inspire me. So you can find me at alexthehealthagent.com, and make sure to follow me on Instagram, because I have a lot of fun videos like this one that can help decode some of the maze that is health insurance. It can be very confusing. And if you liked this particular video and you know another business owner that would find it helpful, I would love it if you shared it with them. And also make sure to comment, like, and subscribe.